The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:16 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, Key Bridge, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those quarter-size hail as well as damage.
Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Dale City, La Plata, Quantico, Popes Creek, Port Tobacco River, Montclair, Triangle, Dumfries, St. Charles, Cherry Hill, Independent Hill, Bryan's Road, Potomac Heights, Pomfret, Port Tobacco Village, Garrisonville, Ironside, Bellefontaine, and Pisgah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Bellefontaine and Pisgah.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.